Hey guys, welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. My name is Onyinyechi, God's gift, Onyinyechi, but you can call me Onyi. So you're pretty much welcome to this beautiful family of I Love Igbo. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to this wonderful family to join the Igbo kingdom, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll always be notified, okay, anytime we upload a new video. So in this particular video, we're going to learn Igbo phrases that start with letter Chi. Yes, letter Chi. You can see it on the screen, CH. And we've actually done Igbo phrases with letter A, that is A. Igbo phrases with letter B, that is B. And this one now is Igbo phrases with letter Chi. And the Igbo phrases of A and B, I'm going to put the links in the description box. So please go there, click the links, and watch the videos so that you also be part of what we are doing here. Okay, so this Chi is actually C when it has to do with English alphabet. Yes, we don't have a single C in Igbo alphabet. That is why you must see H, because we don't have a single C, unlike the English alphabet. Okay, so Igbo phrases with letter Chi. Ready? Let's begin. Kanyibido. The first one we have here is Chukwu. 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 Chukwu means God. Chukwu. Chi also means God. So it's actually Chi Ukwu. Chi Ukwu. But we removed the I. And then it's now one word. Chukwu. Do you get? Great God. Chukwu. So Chukwu gozie, God bless you. The second one I have here is Chopụta. Chopụta. Find out, to find out. Chopụta, to find out. Chopụta ihe ọ na-eme. Chopụta ihe ọ na-eme. Find out what she's doing or what he's doing. So you can either use or ya for a he or she. Do you get? Chopụta ihe ọ na-eme. Chopụta ya. Chopụta ya. Find it out. The next one here is Chọ. Chọ. Chọ means to look for. Chọ ya. Look for it. Chọ ya. Chọ ya. Chọ ha. Look for them. Chọ ya. Look for it or look for him. Stuff like that. So, chọ, to find out. Chọtara. 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 When you've seen something, when you found something. Achọtaram ya. I found it. Achọtaram ya. Achọtaram ya. I found it. Chụọ. Chụọ. Chụọ means, to chase or to pursue or to sack, depending on the context. Chụọ ya. Chụọ ya. Sack him. Chụọ ya. To chase or to pursue someone is chụọ ya. Chụọ ya also. Pursue him, chase him. Chụọ ya, or to chike somebody. Chụọ nwa, chike this baby, stuff like that. Chụọ. So that's chụọ, to pursue, to chase, or to sack. Cheta. Cheta. Cheta means remember. Cheta. Chetam. Remember me. Cheta ha. Remember them. So that's it. The next one here is Cherem. Cherem. Wait for me. Chere, or you can just say Chere. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Chere bahu. Wait there. Chere bahu. Chereba. Wait here. Chereba. Chereha. Wait for them. Chereha. Chere anyị. Wait for us. Chere anyị. So when you say ha, it makes it plural. You are talking about two or more people. Chereha. Chereha. Wait for them. Chere anyị. Now that anyị, you also included in that anyị. Do you get? You are part of the anyị. Chere anyị, wait for us. Chere ebe, wait here. Chere ha, wait for them. You know, stuff like that. Choro, choro, to want. Choro, achoram ya. Achoram ya, I want it. Achoram gị. Achoram gị, I want you. Achoram iri nri. I want to eat food. Achoram iri nri. I want to eat food. Achoram ihi ụra. I want to sleep, you know. Achoram ihi ụra. So when you say choro is to want. Achoram ịgwa gị ihe. I want to tell you something. Achoram, I want. So choro is to want. Chukwu chekwabam. Chukwu chekwabam. God protect me. So this Igbo is very sweet. It's just, you know, if you know how to combine your words, right, then you are heading there. You are heading to the roots of Igbo language. So just know how to combine your words. Do you get? Chukwu already you know is God. Chekwaba is, you know, to protect. Then when you say like nnam, nnem, umunnem, dim, when you put that ezinụlọm, you are kind of making it personal. You are personalizing it. My this, nnem, my mother. Chekwabam, protect me. Chukwu chekwabam. Dim, my husband. Umunnem, my siblings. So just know that when you put that right, you are making it personal. Like you are personalizing what you are saying. Yeah, so that's it. Then the other one is cheerful. Cheerful, forget. Cheerful, cheerful, forget me. Now that is there. You are now personalizing it. It depends on who you are talking to. Cheerful, cheerful, don't forget me. You know, so cheerful is to forget. You understand? Cheerful, yeah, forget it. Cheerful, yeah. Chiaochi, chiochi, to laugh. Chia ochi, to laugh. Ọ na-achị ọchị. Ọ na-achị ọchị. He or she is laughing. Ha na-achị ọchị. Ha na-achị ọchị. Now, you are referring to, you are talking about a group of people. Ha makes it plural, remember. So ha na-achị ọchị, they are laughing. Ha na-achị ọchị. The next one is chikota. Chikota, gather, you know, to gather or to organize. Chikota, chikota ha, organize them, or you know, to gather something. Like chikota akwa ndị ahụ, gather those clothes. Chikota akwa ndị ahụ, gather those clothes. Chikota ha, gather. So it's actually chi, not, we don't have a single C like I explained earlier. So it's just chi, the CH, and it's pronounced chi. So chi this, Onyinyechi. So you see, the Onyinye and the Chukwu is there, which means God's gift, and is my name, yeah? So we do pronounce it chi, okay? So the next one is chibata. Chibata, to bring something in. You're already inside the house and you're telling somebody, chibata ya. Chibata. So it depends on what you want the person to, you know, carry in. Maybe you told someone to chikota akwa. Chikota akwa ndia. So chikota akwa ndia, chibata ha. Do you get? So gather them and bring them in. So chikota and chibata. Chikota romandia. You know, gather these oranges. Chibata ha. So you chikota what is multiple, and then chibata what is also multiple. Do you get? So chikota, chibata. Chinchi. Chinchi. Chinchi means bedbug. Chinchi. Chinchi na atam. Chinchi na atam. Bedbug is biting me. Chinchi dieba. Chinchi dieba. Bedbug is here. So basically, chinchi means bedbug. chopo, chopo. So chopo means, to chase away, something. Chopo mazia or chopo maka, chase away these children. Chopo ha, chase them away. Chopo, chopo okokoa. To chase away, this hen. Maybe the hen is coming close to your food or something, and then you now chopo ya, chopo ya, chopo ya, chopo ya. Chase it out, chase it out, chase it away. So chopo is to chase away something or people, depending on the context. The next one is characha. Characha, to ripe. Characha, oroma characha. This orange is ripe. Unera characha. This banana is ripe. Characha is, something that is ripe. Do you get? So the next one is che. Che, to think. Che ya. Think it. Che ye che. Think about it. Che, kam che ya. Kam che ya. Let me think about it. So che is to think. Ana me che ya kemwe. I've been thinking about it since. Do you get? So to che is to think. Chilie. Chilie. Chilie means to, take something up. Maybe those clothes you are kind of packing to, chiba inside. It fell on the floor and you be like, chilie akwa. Chilie akwa, raise these clothes. Chilie. Chilie. Come chilie ya. Come chilie ya. Let me raise them. Come chilie ya. Chituo. Chituo, to take the clothes down. To chituo, what is multiple? Chituo. Chituo. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button, subscribe to join the family, and also share this video to your family and friends so they can learn Igbo with us. And please don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you always be notified anytime we upload a new video. Okay, Messia. See you next time. Bye.